Hello IG Garage family. So, is your check engine light on with the P0164 code? That means your bank 2 sensor 3 oxygen sensor is detecting an abnormally high temperature. If left unchecked, this could lead to sensor failure, poor fuel efficiency, and even potential engine damage. But don't worry. Today, I'll explain what P0164 means, where to find the affected sensor, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around, because addressing this issue now can save you from costly repairs. The P0164 Trouble Code indicates that the downstream oxygen sensor, bank 2, sensor 3, is reading an excessively high temperature. This sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the catalytic converter's efficiency and adjusting the fuel mixture. If the temperature reading is too high, it may indicate an overheating catalytic converter, wiring issues, or even a failing oxygen sensor. Here are some symptoms you might notice. Check engine light on, poor fuel efficiency, engine hesitation or rough idle, and excessive exhaust heat. Now let's talk about the common causes for P0164. First, a faulty oxygen sensor. A malfunctioning sensor may send incorrect temperature readings. Second, a rich fuel mixture. Excess fuel burning in the exhaust can overheat the sensor. Third, catalytic converter issues. A clogged or failing converter can raise exhaust temperatures. And finally, damaged wiring or a short circuit. Electrical issues can cause false readings or actual overheating. Alright, so bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. Sensor 3 is located farther down the exhaust system, typically after the second catalytic converter. You'll find it attached to the exhaust pipe, usually underneath the vehicle. The sensor connects to the ECU via a wiring harness, which should be inspected for damage. A short circuit or corroded wiring can cause incorrect readings. Look for damaged, burnt, or disconnected wires. Repair or replace damaged wiring as needed. Next, use a multimeter to check for proper voltage and resistance. If the sensor is not responding correctly, it may need replacement. Also, inspect fuel injectors and pressure regulators for excessive fuel delivery. Fix any leaks or malfunctions in the fuel system. If the converter is overheating or clogged, it may need cleaning or replacement. If the sensor is faulty, replace it with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket part. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0164 code. Then, drive for a few miles to ensure the check engine light doesn't return. That's how you fix P0164 and keep your car running efficiently. Fixing this issue will improve fuel economy and prevent overheating problems. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, check out these related videos. P0081, Intake Valve Control Solenoid Circuit High, Bank 1, and P0082, Intake Valve Control Solenoid Circuit Low, Bank 2. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.